Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This is how you reset the service light on a 2010 to 2013 Nissan Qashqai. First of all, you turn the key on and wait for the warning lights to go off and the service light. Once it goes out, you can press the button and then turn it to activate the menu. Then you would go down to the maintenance menu, you'll press the button, you'll go into your service section, press the button again, and then you would reset it. Then it would say reset. Okay, and that is how you reset the service indicator on a Nissan Qashqai. As you can see, if you turn it off and back on again, there's no more service indicator. Okay, how's about to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell?